Hi home buyers! I am so excited to show you my new listing here in Regatta Point. But first, let me tell you how amazing this community is. You not only will have a lake view from your home and the community pool, but its proximity to several attractions and amenities is amazing. We are just minutes away from Lake Mead, historic downtown Boulder City, Hoover Dam, golf courses, hiking and biking trails, and just a short drive away from the Las Vegas Strip. If you are looking for a retreat, not just a home, you are going to love this place. So follow me and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And if you want to bring a suitcase and move right in, these gorgeous furnishings are negotiable. And you don't have to do anything to this backyard. It has been done for you. From the aluminum patio cover with party lights to the PebbleTech deck. And where else would you want to sit and have your morning coffee than right here with the view of the lake? This was what I was talking about. This home has been upgraded to the max, from the dual-pane windows to the tankless water heater to the gorgeous tile floors. And look at this kitchen. Isn't it super cute? Wait till you see the master bathroom. So if you would like to see this amazing home in person, contact me and I would definitely show you and give you a private tour. I'm Wendy Goss and I would love to be your real estate boss. Hi home buyers! Hey, I am super excited to tell you about my new listing here in Regatta Point. But first, let me tell you how amazing this community is.
Not only have a lake from your home.
Oh, I thought you were putting your hand up to stop. No. Oh, shit. I am super excited to tell you about my new... Hi, home buyers. I am super excited to show you my new listing in Regatta.
Bruh.
If you are looking for a retreat and not just a home, you are going to love this place. So follow me and I'll show you what the hell I'm talking about. And this backyard is, what'd you say, the 9th? You don't have to do anything to this backyard.
No, I didn't do it. You did.
I did it.
Okay, all right, go ahead.
Tell her action.
Action.